After bringing data into NovaLens, there are still a couple of other functions that you need to perform or tasks you need to perform in addition to changing your data type. If we go to the tables and we look at a table that we've brought into the system, we've talked about field types and adding generated fields for maps and the different relationships. We still have to talk about updating the index. And the index is used by the data tables, by the system, to improve the efficiency of how searches are performed. If we click on here, what we see is that for each column we have choices. We can do a B tree if the column contains numeric data. If it contains text, there are several selections that we have. You can do B tree if it's just going to be a simple search. Full text allows us to search everything from a textual basis within that column. B tree in full text is if we're going to treat the data as if it's categorical. That is, let's say we want to look at something like all the states in the United States. We could treat that as either categorical or we could treat that as a textual search, like naming the states themselves. So you have decisions to make when you're thinking about the index. Generally, you're going to be using either B tree or full text when you're making your selections. Don't use none because it slows down the system and you'll end up sitting around waiting for your data searches to be performed.